Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today, a different video. I'm going to talk about how I got started with freelancing as a makeup artist, and I'm going to give you a few tips on how to start off, and yeah, just going to talk about that. I'm also going to film what I take with me and what is in my kit, but I will split those two videos, this video and that video, for another time because it will be very long. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see what I take with me, so that you don't miss out of that video. And one other thing, what I have on my face, I will post a picture on my Instagram with all the product details. My Instagram is lailatari. I will put it here. Now that's that. Let's start. I have been freelancing now for a year, I think, and I didn't go to school for it. I am self-taught, and I started with doing Instagram and YouTube. That's how I learned makeup. Then one day a girl asked me on Facebook if I could do her makeup, so that's when it started. She was my first client, and yeah, well, the makeup was pretty good, but what I took with me and how I was just so not professional, it was really bad. So I had all my products in a toilet bag, and literally everything I had, it was really bad. Okay, so my first time was really bad. Everything is a first time, so don't worry. So you will always have people that really want everything so perfect. Of course you want to do everything perfect, but they are scared you will mess it up, and that is normal. I will be that client, but she was that too, and that was my first client, so that was really bad. So that's why it took me 4 hours, because she was looking every time what I did, and oh, I was so scared. But anyways, I learned of it and from it. And so if you're starting off or you have your first client, don't worry, they ask you, so they know you can do it, so you know what you're capable of, and you just don't have to worry. If you mess something up, it doesn't matter, because it's makeup and you can take it off. One tip, I would always start with eyes, because most of the times you will have fallout, and sometimes if a client doesn't like the colors or the look, then you can easily take it off, so you don't have to start over with the whole face. So that's one tip. If you feel like you're going to mess it up, or you did something wrong and you are starting to panic, what am I going to do right now, how can I fix this, just look at her face or his face, I don't know who your client is. Just look and think, how can I fix this? Because girl, you know makeup. If you are doing this, you know makeup, so you know how to fix it. Take a minute, because if you're going further with it and you're keep messing it up, then it's just one big problem. So to start off, I don't know how far you are with makeup, but practice on your family, on your sister, brother, no, what did I just say? Practice on your mother. Yeah, maybe you have to practice on your brother, because you don't know what clients you will have. I mean, if a boy wants me to do their makeup, hell yeah, I'm gonna do that. I would love that. So practice on everybody. Practice first on a lot of people that you know, so you can take your time and practice. You have to practice on younger people, but also definitely on older people, because they have those saggy eyes. Really hard when they ask you to do a winged liner. That's really hard. So you want to practice on maybe your grandma. I don't have any license for anything. I'm just self-taught, so you guys can also do it. In the beginning, when I was starting, I thought I really needed a license for doing this and everything, but now I just wanted it so bad. I didn't have the money for a curse is the word. I didn't have the money to go to school for that, because they are really expensive here. So I just really wanted to do this, so I just practiced, and yeah, that's how I learned it. And if I can do it, you can do it. My makeup was really bad. If you go to my Instagram, to my first pictures, I deleted the worst pictures, but if you look at my first pictures, they are, yeah, also pretty bad. So I just practiced, and that's how I did it. You don't need to go to school for it. You can do it. You only need to practice, maybe watch a few YouTube videos. That's how you can do it. So everybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So yeah. In the beginning, when I was starting, I charged 15 euros. I think that's $18. That's really cheap. That's really cheap because I had to go to the client. That cost me money. I had to buy stuff for them, different skin tones. It cost me so much more than that I was charging, and you never want to do that. It takes you time. You need to clean your brushes. You need to, yeah, it takes you so much time, and you are literally paying to do someone's makeup, you know. But if you're just starting off, I was slowly charging more. So I charged a long time $25, and yeah, now I changed everything to higher. So what I charge is for night makeup, or yeah, evening makeup. Normal makeup to go out to have a birthday party, I will charge without lashes 35 euros. Okay, well, I'm going to tell it just in dollars because it doesn't make sense for you if I tell it in euros. So I would charge without lashes. For normal makeup, I would charge $40. With lashes, I would charge $45. For bridal makeup, I use different makeup, more expensive foundations to make sure that the SPF, their face is whole white on the picture. You don't want that. I use more expensive foundation for that, so I charge more for that. So without lashes, $45, and $50 with lashes. So I'm still cheap, but I am a freelancer that just started. Yeah, I am freelancing for a year right now. I will also charge for how many miles I will need to go to them. I think maybe in the future I will still keep charging more because my time is also money. From that money, I'm also buying again stuff for my kids. Well, so if you're first starting off and you don't have a kit or you don't have that much makeup, you'll buy a middle foundation, a really dark foundation, and a white foundation, so you can mix for every skin tone. I also have palettes from Morphe. They are $20, somewhere there, and you will have 9 foundations. I have 2 different of those palettes, and then I have foundation for almost every skin tone, so that's really cheap. Anyways, about the products, I will film that video after this, but I think I will post it next week. And sorry, now back to the to charging. I totally forgot to say this. You know what you're worth, and if someone is asking you for less, to pay less, I would never say yes to that. You know, you can give your family discounts, but you don't want to do that with clients. That will go in your network, and that person will tell another person you can ask less, and you never want to do that. And you know what you're worth. Someone asked me to charge less. I will take that as not as a compliment. It's really rude to do that because you don't think my makeup, my work is that much worth, and I'm charging not that much, you know. In a salon, they will charge so much more. And if you think I'm not worth that money, I would say, okay, no, sorry, I'm a really cheap makeup artist. If you don't want to pay this for that, then okay, it's fine. Then you have to find someone else. I will talk more about this, what I take with me in my video, in that other video, but what's really nice to take with you is a light, because it's really hard to work. I had the first times that I was going to clients, I was going with the bus, and I didn't have my driving license, so I couldn't take my lighting with me. But now I have my driving license, and now I can take them with me, and that's really nice, because I had so many times that the lighting where we were doing makeup, it was really bad. It's really nice to take a softbox or a ring light with you. It's really, I really recommend you to do that. Now about how to get more clients. Well, I don't have that many clients right now because I'm not doing this full time. I'm more focusing on my YouTube and Instagram and social media. I was only doing this. I would go a little bit harder with finding more clients. I would do more my best to make my network a little bit more bigger. So we in the Netherlands, we have those city pages where people sell their stuff, and that's really close to each other. So we in only my city and the city next to my city, we have 20 of those kind of pages with so many people on there, and I just post my pictures, I do makeup, and that's a really good thing if you have those pages in your city. I don't know if you have that, but it's a really good one to spread your name. So yeah. What you also can do is go to salons, nail salons, hair salons, whatever a salon. Mostly of the time they have a desk. On there they always have those cards from other places. So you can ask if you can put your business card on their desk. That really works, because if people sometimes have to wait, they'll just look out of boredness what's on the desk, and that's when they see your business card. So you want to have a speaking business card, you know, that you can already see where it's for. And business cards are really I really recommend to have business cards. Whenever I go to clients, I always give them a few business cards so they can give them to their family or someone. Maybe someone asks them, oh my god, I have to do my makeup, I don't know how I'm going to do it, and then they say, oh, I have here a card, this girl did my makeup, and that's how you make your network bigger. I give my business cards to everyone so that they can spread them, spread them. That's how your network can also get bigger. So this is my business card. You can really see from the business card from what it is, what I'm doing, you know. On the back I have my name, my phone number, of course, that's really important, and then I have my Facebook, because I'm using Facebook more for clients because I have more Dutch followers on there, and I have my Instagram page so that they can see my work, and the link of my YouTube channel, so that they also, yeah, it's great that they can see who is coming over. What you can also do is just put a few pictures of your work on here. I didn't, oh I did, but really small pictures of my eyes to show them that this is my work, because obviously this is not my work. This is just a design that they had on there, and yeah, I really liked it, and they have so many more cool designs for makeup artists, so I would definitely check that page out. I will put it down below, and they are so cheap. I have my business cards in this box, and I will take it with me in my makeup kit, so that I never forget to give it to my clients. But this whole box was full. I had, I think, 100 cards, and that was 20 euros, so $24. So that is really cheap, and I think you can also get them for much cheaper if you choose another design. What I wear, they recommend you to wear everything in black. Most of the time I wear everything in black, and it doesn't matter what kind of thing you wear in black. I don't want to be too naked with a décolleté, but other than that you can just show your own style, because they ask you and you are you, and you don't have to change, but still you want to be professional, but you can absolutely show your own style. Just like I told you, it's your business, it's your company, it's your you are you, so wear what you want. And yeah, for the makeup, they recommend you to wear no makeup or wear makeup that everyday makeup. Just keep it a little bit relaxed on your face. So I would also recommend that, but also you are you, so you can wear whatever you want. I wear sometimes really dramatic makeup and sometimes no makeup, you know, mascara, foundation, brows, a little bit powder. But sometimes I wear this much makeup. It just depends on the day. I would still recommend to wear no makeup. You don't want to scare them off. Oh shit, is she going to do this to my face? So yeah, but I wear this because yeah, I'm me, and yeah. By the way, you want to wear your hair up or something, because it's really annoying if you get your hair all the time in your face. And a great tip is what I always do. I have a big list with products that I have to take with me in my kit, in my phone. It's really nice for people that forget really good, like me. I forget everything, so I have to write it down. And now that I have that list, I don't forget anything. So yeah. So I hope I did not forgot something. If I did, or if you still have questions, feel free to ask them in the comments down below. Please subscribe. Make sure to subscribe for that what's in my kids video, that you not will miss out of it. And yeah, I really hope this was helpful, and I really wish you luck. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Absolutely. Just practice. Yeah, just what I told you. And yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and bye bye. In case you don't know me, hi, I'm Laila Tari. Ja, dat was roog. Dat gaan we niet doen. Make sure to I'm good. Make sure to have a few clients, and then you can. So don't you the script. So make sure to